So my dear friends, let's get started. And today we are going to make a small application in Code.org platform. And then, okay, so let's get started. So first I'm going to drag the ABC label from the design toolbox and drag it in the up over here on the page, which is similar to the mobile. So I want the title to be Animal Sounds, as my app's name is also Animal Sounds. Okay, so let's increase it width and height. Okay, and then wait a minute. Okay, so then I want to increase its font. So I want the font to be 25, so it looks bold, and I want the font family to be Arial. Okay, so let's create the app. Now I'm going to drag this button from the design toolbox over here, and I want to increase its width and height. So let's do over here. I'm increasing its width and height. Okay, and I will, in place of text, I'll write it as cat. Okay, and then I'm going to increase its font size to 20. No, 25, I think. 25 is okay. Okay. Then I want the border radius to be decreased. So I want the border radius to be 10. Okay, this is correct. Now I'm going to drag another button over here. And in this button, we are going to write the animal's name as horse. Horse, we are going to write in it. We have done. Okay, yeah. Okay, so in this button, we are going to write as horse. Horse. Yeah. And then I want to increase its font size and decrease its border. And the font size should be 25 as we did before. And the border radius should be 10 as I did in the previous button. Then I'm going to drag another button and I'm going to write as tiger in that button. So I want the width of the button to be 110 and the height of the button to be 85. Okay. I want the button in the text set. I'm going to write it as tiger, and I want to increase the font size and decrease the border radius. And the font size should be 25, and then I'm going to decrease the border radius to 10. Okay. Over here, over here. So I'm going to drag another button over here. And as told before, I want the width of the button to be 110 and the height of the button to be 8 and 85. So, and I want the text in the button as dog. Okay, and I want to increase the font size and decrease the border radius. And the border radius should be 10. Okay, so and now I want two more animals, and I want elephant and a chick. So I'm going to drag another button over here, and I want the text to be chick. And then I want the width to be 110 and the height should be 85. So it's over here. And then I want the font size to be 25. Chicks. And then the border radius should be 10. Okay. So we have one more animal to select, and that is the elephant. Okay, I'm going to increase the width to 110. This one. And height to 85. Okay, then we're going to drag it over here, and then I want the in place in the button, I want to write as elephant. Okay, we have written it, and sorry, I am really sorry. And then I'm going to increase the font size to 20. You know why? Because it is not fitting, because the elephant's word is very big. A lot of letters are in the word. So the font size to be 20. Okay. Then I want the border radius to be, oh sorry. What font size I did 20, and the border radius to be 10. And this also by mistake I did. Okay. So we've done the which animal we want to choose. We have chosen as the animals. Okay. Then the second part is we will code it. The main part of the application is coding. So let's go to coding. From the we have to click on this button over here, coding button, and then we have to drag this on event block in the workspace. And in the ID I will write it as button 1. Okay, and then I want to play the sound of the animal. So over here you can see this play sound. I'm going to drag it over here, and then I'm going to choose the play sound over here. So first is cat, and we have to write cat. And you can see this, we're going to choose this over here. So I've chosen the cat, and then cat sound, and then again we will drag the on event block, and then we are going to drag the play sound block also, and the ID should be button 2. When button 2 is clicked, I'm going to choose the sound, and the sound should be horse. Sound of the horse, sorry. Yeah, you can see it over here. We are going to choose the sound of the horse. And then second thing we want to do is we have to continue doing this process till we have finished all the 6 animals, and then we're going to choose the play sound block from here, and I want the third button clicked, and it is a tiger. So we are going to choose the sound of the tiger. Tiger. Okay, we are going to choose the sound of the tiger, and then we are going to go another drag same ornament block, and then we are going to select the button as button 4, and which is the sound of the dog. We have to select. So play sound button over here, and then we are going to select the sound as choose, and over here we are going to write dog, and so we are dog, and we're going to choose it. And then again on event we have to drag it, and you have to continue this process till all the 6 animals have not completed. We are okay. Then we are going to write it as button 5, and the button 5 is chicks. So we are going to choose the chicks now. Okay, I'm going to write chicks. I think it is there. Okay, chick, and then we're going to choose it. Okay, and then again ornament, and the last step of this is the finish. I'm going to finish in just few minutes. Play sound, and then the button is button 6, of course, and the animal is elephant. So from the sound, I'm going to choose the sound, and I'm going to type it as elephant, and you can see it over here, and we're going to choose it. And let's run and check if it works properly or not. So I'm going to increase the sound, and then I'm going to run and check. So, oh sorry. I forgot to delete the screen 1 over here. I'm going to delete it. Okay. Yeah, now run and check. You can see the screen, and when I click on the cat button, you can hear the cat sound. When I click on the horse button, you can hear the horse sound. When I click on the tiger button, tiger sound. When I click on the dog button, you can hear the dog sound. When I click on the chicks button, you can hear the chick sound. And when the elephant, you can hear the elephant sound. So we have created a small application in just few minutes, and I want to rename as animal sound. Animal sounds. And thank you very much to watch my video, and thank you. Okay.